what I like to do a lot is I'll put lime or lemon on pretty much all the food that I eat. Not all of it, but for the most part, anything cooked, I love having lime or lemon juice on it, preferably the lemon juice. So because we have such an abundance of both of these antioxidant full or filled citrus fruits, what I like to do is I'll cut these up. First things first, I'll just cut them in half. And I'm not going to take all the seeds out. These lemons are just full of seeds. The limes don't really have, I've never actually seen a seed in the limes that we have out front, which makes it a little bit easier to make these lemon potions or lime potions or citrus potions, excuse me. So what I'll do is I'll just take these lemons, I'll let the seeds fall in there. I'm going to put ice in this later and use a straw, so it's not like I'm going to get the seeds in my mouth. And then I'll just take the whole peel and throw it in there as well. I like lemon a lot. I like the tart flavor of it. And what's nice about these homegrown lemons is although they do have some tartness, they're nowhere near as tart and offensive as store-bought lemons. I only really like consuming homegrown fruit and homegrown vegetation. You know, I do my best to consume as much of it as possible, and I probably consume a hell of a lot more homegrown food than most people. I've been very lucky to have a family that loves to garden, myself included. So again, and usually, you know, you guys, this is so high in antioxidants, lemons, and because there is so much oxidative stress going on within our bodies, I like to just double the recipe up. Sometimes I'll even triple this, as crazy as that sounds. I'll put all the juice in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit, until it gets cold, and then I'll serve it over ice. And sometimes, you know, if it's a little too strong, what you can do, once you let it steep for a while, what you can do is you can just pour a little bit into a cup and then fill the rest up with water. So I'm going to put a bisphenol A free lid on this, a plastic lid, and put that in the refrigerator for a while. But this is a great way to get antioxidants into your system, you guys, in liquid form. Lemon water. Lime water is just as good. In fact, it tastes a little bit better in my opinion, but I prefer the lemons. I just do. I feel like I get more out of the lemons.